Hey, hello, this is Zachary from Zachary 3D Prints here on the 31st of December 2024. We are going to end this year with a normal greetings and also a nice celebration of 2025. If you are lighting up some fireworks or some crackers or some other stuff, please be careful with your body. Safety first, because working on 3D printers with missing out some fingers because of a little bit less safe things with fireworks, it's not that great. You don't want to have that. But hey, I had an amazing year 2024. I saw a lot of cool people, cool 3D printers, cool 3D printing related products, and I'm eager to see what is coming for 2025. My channel grew from, somewhere surpassed 5,000, 6,000 subscribers to 8,572 as of recording. Next year, we are going to do also some amazing projects. Projects involve the P1S, involve a official Prusa 3D printer, but that I cannot really tell at this moment. I'm working on the background on something, but also I have STL Flix commercial license, one at the 3D printing nerd, and I am going to use that one as well. So also print farming related content is going to come very soon in 2025. I really try to put a lot of time and efforts in making the best possible content for you to see on this channel. So if you are not subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification so that you don't miss out on any of the new videos that I'm going to publish in 2025. I am so curious how everything is going to turn out. I'm going to do my best in order to provide you the best possible content for 2025 for 3D printing, of course. Yeah, we are going to see some amazing stuff. So, hey, be safe, be careful, and also have a pleasant 2025 with 3D printing with Zachary 3D Prints. Cheers, man. And girls, of course.